Can I add more outlets to a circuit that already has lights?
Hey there, welcome to our video. Today, we're going to address a common question. Can you add more outlets to a circuit that already has lights? It's an important consideration when you want to expand the electrical capacity of a room or area. So, let's dive in and find out the answer.
Understanding circuit load and capacity.
Before we discuss adding more outlets, let's understand the concept of circuit load and capacity. Every electrical circuit has a maximum capacity, which is determined by the size of the circuit breaker or fuse protecting it. This capacity is measured in amps and represents the total amount of electrical current the circuit can safely handle.
Calculating load and evaluating the existing circuit.
To determine if you can add more outlets to a circuit with lights, you need to calculate the existing circuit load. Start by identifying the amperage rating of the circuit breaker or fuse that controls the circuit. Next, determine the total load already connected to the circuit, including lights and other devices. Check the amperage ratings of the lights and any other devices connected to the circuit. Add up their individual amperages to calculate the total load. Ensure the total load does not exceed the circuit's capacity. If the existing load is already close to the circuit's capacity, it may not be feasible to add more outlets without overloading the circuit.
Assessing available capacity and adding outlets.
If the existing load is significantly lower than the circuit's capacity, you may have some available capacity to add more outlets. Consult with a qualified electrician to evaluate the circuit and determine the available capacity. They will consider factors like wire gauge, circuit length, and the overall electrical demand in the area. If there is sufficient capacity, it is generally possible to add more outlets to the circuit. However, it is essential to follow local electrical codes and regulations, as they specify the maximum number of outlets allowed on a circuit. Respecting these codes ensures electrical safety and prevents overloading the circuit.
Considerations for adding outlets.
When adding outlets to a circuit, keep these important considerations in mind. Distribute the outlets evenly throughout the room to avoid overloading a specific area of the circuit. Use proper wire gauge to accommodate the electrical load. Thicker wires with lower gauge numbers can handle higher currents. Consider using GFCI outlets near water sources or in areas where electrical safety is crucial, such as bathrooms or kitchens. If you're unsure about electrical work, hire a licensed electrician. They have the expertise to ensure the installation is done correctly and safely. To wrap up, the answer to the question, can I add more outlets to a circuit that already has lights, is generally yes, as long as the existing load is below the circuit's capacity. Remember to calculate the load, evaluate available capacity, and consult with a qualified electrician to ensure electrical safety and compliance with local codes. We hope this video has been helpful in addressing your query. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay safe and have a great day.